Hi YouTubers. Hi, Jeff Cote here with Pacific Yacht Systems. We've got a question from Damian. Damian's got a really good question about NMEA 2000 and what to do with spare ports. So he asked, I've got a 4-port NMEA 2000 backbone. Only 3 ports are used and there's both a female and a male resistor at either end of the backbone. Will the system communicate with one open port? Absolutely. Yeah, so you can actually have drops that are not connected, and we do this all the time. We're going to be running cables from the engine room up to maybe the lower helm, up to the upper helm on a power boat, throughout a sailboat, and we're going to have potentially, as we go from one end of the boat to the other end of the boat, we're actually going to be putting in drops for the eventuality of putting in maybe a sensor like a bilge detector or a smoke detector, or it could be engine monitoring. So you don't actually have to have a load or a drop cable on every single one of the potential termination points of your NMEA 2000 backbone. What you probably want to do is put an end cap, and I've done that on my boat. There's little end caps that you can put so the 5 wires that are exposed are not in the air, and it just makes it clean, and you know that you're not going to have, you're limiting the chance of corrosion or accidental shortening of that. But yeah, there's actually no issues with having a spare port on an NMEA 2000 backbone. Thanks for watching this video. If you've got further questions that we didn't answer, please ask them below or go on our website and fill out one of the forms and we'll get a chance to do so. Support us to keep this channel ad-free by donating via PayPal or buying one of these lovely hats. The links are below. And lastly, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. That way you'll get the regular content. And in closing, thanks for watching.